We've been using our Big Berkey gravity-fed water filter system for over 5 years now, and honestly, it's one of the best purchases we've ever made. Durability-wise, it's stainless steel, feels solid, and has handled everyday use from our family of 10 without any issues. One major benefit we noticed right away was the significant savings compared to buying bottled water. Even factoring in the replacement filters, it still saves us money long term. Speaking of filters, the Black Berkey elements included last an impressively long time. We usually go years before needing replacements. Using it daily, our routine is pretty straightforward. We fill up a large stock pot a couple of times and transfer the water directly into the Berkey. The capacity is just right for us at about 2¼ gallons. It meets our family's daily drinking water needs easily. If there's one thing to think about, it's placement. Because you'll be filling it regularly, you definitely want it somewhere convenient to your water source. Overall, after years of use, we're completely satisfied. It's durable, economical, and provides us with peace of mind knowing our family has access to clean drinking water.